Hi, in this video I will show you how you can get any microphone to go from sounding like
this, where it sounds a bit like a tin can with some noise in the background,
to a crisp, clear and professional studio microphone like this. To get started, you will need to have your audio file. If you have a video file like in MP4, you will have to extract the audio first. I have my recording right here in Audacity and I will export it as an MP3. To improve this audio, we'll head over to Adobe Podcast, which is a free website that uses AI to clean up your audio. To be able to use it, you will have to sign in or register if you don't have an Adobe account. After you have logged in, you'll be able to upload your file. As you can see, there is some limitations, but you can pay for the premium version to use it as much as you want. Now we can just drag and drop the audio file and it will automatically start enhancing the audio. After a couple of seconds or minutes, depending on the file size, it will finish and give you a preview of the enhanced audio and an option to download the file. Here is a quick before and after the processing.
this, where it sounds a bit like a tin can with some noise in the background,
This, where it sounds a bit like a tin can with some noise in the background. As you can hear, the background noise is gone and the voice sounds much more clear and professional. Thanks for watching.